Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you some selected conditional factors for flood hazard susceptibility mapping. Here are 8 factors: elevation, curvature, slope, aspect, roughness, TRI, TPI, TWI, and here also 5 factors: STI, SPI, lineament density, drainage density, lithology, geomorphology, and soil. Then here rainfall intensity index using modified Fourier index, rainfall deviation, modified normalized difference weight index, NDVI, LULC. All are prepared in ArcMap 10.c. You can find here layout of this map. This is an elevation map in meter in Coachbihar district. Here the curvature I have converted into 3 groups: convex, flat, and concave, slope, aspect, roughness, TRI, that's been topographic ruggedness index, topographic position index, and topographic wetness index, and also STI, that's been sediment transport index, SPI, stream power index, LD, lineament density, DD, drainage density, lithology, geomorphology, soil, and here rainfall, annual rainfall in mm, modified Fourier index, that's been rainfall intensity, rainfall deviation, modified normalized difference water index, here normalized difference vegetation index, and LOLC. These 21 factors are affect the flood, so I can prepare flood susceptibility mapping using these conditional factors, and I will use TOPSIS, VCORE, and EDAS multi-criteria model for flood susceptibility generation of Coachbihar district. If you want to know how to prepare this parameter, comment in the comment section. I will explain you how to prepare it in the later. Thank you for watching this tutorial.